Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use U-shaped pins to secure your hairstyles. These simple, yet incredibly effective tools are perfect for creating elegant updos, buns, and twists without visible hardware. Unlike bobby pins, U-pins are designed to scoop hair and provide flexible hold, making them ideal for delicate styles. We will explore the basics, ensuring your hairstyles stay perfectly in place all day long. Choosing the right U-pin is crucial for successful styling. Pins typically range from about 2 inches for shorter hair to 3 inches for longer, thicker hair. You will find options in various materials. Metal pins provide a secure, strong hold, while softer, flexible plastic versions are gentler for delicate styles. Always match the pin's length and strength to your hair type and the style's demands for optimal results. Mastering the basic insertion technique is key to using U-pins effectively. First, gather a small 1-inch section of your secured hair, such as a bun or a twist. Next, gently scoop the bottom curve of the U-pin into the hair you want to secure. Then, twist the pin 180 degrees, pushing it downward towards the scalp, catching a bit of the underlying hair to anchor it firmly. This creates a hidden, secure hold. For more complex styles, U-pins truly shine, providing flexible yet firm support. When creating a larger bun or a detailed updo, insert your pins in a crisscross pattern, making an X shape with the 2 pins. This technique significantly enhances the hold, preventing slippage throughout your day. You can also use smaller pins to tuck away any stray wisps or to attach lightweight hair accessories discreetly and securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.